Hello everybody, welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today I'm on my Lifan KPM 200 and I stopped and get me some gas. It's getting a little bit low. Fired up here. Only took about 2 gallons. 1.98. This thing gets amazing fuel economy. It's such a beautiful day today. I had to get out. We don't see days like this too much anymore. Them skies are blue and there's not a cloud hardly in the sky. The wind has died down a little bit. No rain. Man, this is kind of unusual for lately. I'm gonna open my visor for a minute, make sure my camera angle's good. I think that's okay. I want you to be able to see my dash, because I watch other people's videos. I like to keep an eye on the dash. Not sure where I'm going to be riding to yet, but I just want to get out and ride. I did take this bike out a day or two ago, and that's why I filled it up. But that was the first ride really after hibernation. But I filmed it and everything, but it was just so windy. It was hard to even hear me, and you know, it was just like terrible. So I don't think I'm gonna post it. Look at that. Route 66, Illinois 66. Kind of cool, huh? Get your kicks on Route 66, as they say. Route 66 is a long road. I think it goes all the way to California. One of these days I want to ride that. I've been talking about that. It's on my bucket list, but I've been wanting to do that forever. Now that I'm retired, I might be able to. It'd take probably a month to be able to ride that, because it's a lot of back roads and it's broke up here and there. I think it's kind of hard to keep on track, but I'd like to try it. I got the Aochi running. That's another problem. I had the Aochi running when I took that ride the other day, but the camera footage was good off of it, and I had it placed perfectly on with the other footage from the GoPro, but the problem was the video editor wouldn't accept it for some reason. I don't know if I was doing something wrong. It looked pretty good, but I'm going to have to figure something else out. I don't know if I'll have any footage from that or not. Let me see if it's on. Yeah, looks like it's been playing. I still haven't figured this thing all the way out yet. There's kind of a cool motorcycle place right here. Stop and take a look at it real quick. I want to show you a couple bikes. I don't know if they're open or not. Probably don't open till 9 o'clock. I'm not sure what time it is, but turn my turn signal off. See that bike right there? That's a Moto Morini Escape 650. Beautiful bike, but what does it look like to you? Yeah, it resembles the KPT 400, but I think that bike runs like 7,000 something. I would imagine by the time you're done paying for, you know, the dealer fees and everything else on that bike, it's probably going to be close to 9,000 probably, is my guess. Yeah, it's a 650. It's a little bit bigger than the KPT 400, but I don't think you're going to gain anything. It's even got the bar in the front just like the KPT 400 does. Kind of hard to see. All you see is me in the reflection, I guess. Let me see if I can show you from this angle. That bar that goes down in front looks exactly the same almost as the KPT. Wow, a lot of similarities. You can get that KPT for a lot less than what these are. But they got some pretty cool bikes in there. They got scooters. And different things. Kind of cool. One of these days I'm going to go there when they're open and just check out their stuff. But they ain't got nothing on the KPT 400, especially for the price. I guess they share a lot of technology. Those Moto Morini are Chinese made as well. They probably share a lot of the technology because it looks a lot, there's a lot of similarities between the two. Love that chicken from Popeyes. I think I'm gonna go down this way and get up on the interstate. I showed you how the KPX would cruise on the interstate. I'll show you how the KPM does. KPX has 20 horsepower stock, and this bike has 17 it's supposed to have, what they claim. It sure seems like it has more than that to me, but this exhaust probably wakes it up a little bit. But I'm thinking the way it feels about as strong as the KPX does, so I'd say it's pretty comparable, probably 20 horsepower with the exhaust on it. Top speed on this bike's a little bit faster. I think it's because of the street tires and maybe the gearing. And I have the gearing stock on this bike too. I tried, you know, switching it up a little bit and trying different things, but I like the stock gearing the best. That's why I say they did a good job when they built this bike, because the gearing, stock gearing is good. The seat, in my opinion, is really good. The riding position's good. Fuel economy's good. Reliability's good. Power's good. Watch, I'm gonna get it up into the red line. See it? Red light came on. Better slow down. It's got a nice big corner here. Something in the road. Boy, I hate that when them tires start shredding off those tractor trailers. Give you landmines out there, give you a heart attack. I was going down the interstate one day and there was a whole tractor trailer tire, and it looked like, you know, you'll see them with duals on the back. Well, it looked like a one tire that's supposed to substitute the dual. Oh my gosh, that thing looked like it was about 4 foot tall, right in the middle of the interstate. I'm just so thankful that I was off to the side. If I would have hit that doing 70 miles an hour, that wouldn't have been pretty at all. You gotta really watch out for stuff like that. You gotta look out on the highway up ahead of you. That's why you don't want to ride too close to people. You want a little distance between you so you can see the road. A lot different on a bike than it is in a car. And my speedometer showing 76, 77. I'm probably doing, I don't know, about 4 miles per hour less, so 78, doing about 74 right now. This KPM 200, it just cruises so good. Now you can see I hit 80. See if it goes any faster. I'm going on a flat right here. That's about it, 80. As you can see, I'm running 9,300 RPM. In 6th gear. This thing just cruises smooth as butter. Man, look at that sky. Woo-wee! That big white cloud right there, I think is from a refinery. There's a refinery right there. Maybe not. There's some other clouds out there in the horizon. Even though the traffic's moving pretty fast, I'm keeping up really well. That's what makes this bike such an incredible value, I think. Is, man, it does everything. And I've gone quite a few miles since I filled up, and look at that, it's still completely full. I ran my battery all the way dead, and I'm about 3/4 on this one. Really don't want to pass him. Might have to though. A tractor cutting the grass on the side of the road. Got one of those sidearm mowers. That's kind of cool. Well, I think I'm gonna end my ride here. I hope you guys enjoyed it riding along with me. I sure enjoyed riding, that's no doubt about that. I'm gonna get off of it and let you see the bike. I'm gonna put it on its center stand. That's one thing about these bikes is what's that siren? Huh. Well, let me shut the key off. Sorry about the siren in the background, but I got a siren test, I guess. But I'll let you see the bike. I've done a little bit of modifications to it. That center stand comes stock on the bike. You have to buy one and install that, but there is a spot there to put it on, and it's really easy to install. Boy, it makes it nice. See, the front back wheel is off the ground. Makes it easy to do chain maintenance and stuff. So that center stand's well worth its money. That exhaust, if you get one of these bikes, get one of those exhausts. It really makes a big difference. And the bike itself is just a fabulous bike. I love the box on the back. So there she is. I appreciate you guys coming along and riding with me, and it's been fun. Boy, it was nice getting this KPM out. It's been a little while. I really enjoy riding it. If you guys don't have one of these, I'd say it'd be a good investment to get one. It's a nice bike. It's built very well. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you coming along, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.